In today's episode, let's see Parimal Sacred Scents Pure Sandal. This is what we're going to see today. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So what we have today here is this brand Parimal Aroma Agarbatti Sacred Scents Series Natural Pure Sandal Incense. It says pure sandal is made from rolling of the sandal paste called as gandh. This sacred ancient Ayurvedic recipe calms the mind, soothes stress, nervous tension and uplifts the mood. So this is what we have. The branding is in English on one side and in Hindi on the other side. Then on one side we have the names written in various Indian languages, and on the other side we have the various, the address and the online address. So it says parimalmandir.in, directions for use, net contents 28 grams, and this is for 150 rupees. So I had got this from my local Pansari store in Devghar, Jharkhand. So even this is for 150, I got this for 125, and I remember smelling this the first time in my father's house. Yes, my father's house, after marriage, that's what we say. So in my father's house, and I was so overtaken by the fragrance. I loved it so much. I actually felt as though somebody has, made that sandal paste by rolling the stick on the stone and, they've left it there. And that fragrance lasted all day. I was so overtaken by this. I went ahead and I bought a whole box of 6 packs. It cost me around 750 rupees or something. But I bought that whole pack, and even that guy was surprised, like, why are you buying so much? I said, because I liked it so much. I don't know, I'll have to order it from Amazon or where not. Now that I'm getting it, I must buy it. Now that reminds me of another thing, I think it's better that you buy from their online store or from a trusted Pansari store, because I think they have quite a few fake products on Amazon these days, and I've heard many people, say that the incense that they bought from Pansari store was good, and that's why they'd ordered from Amazon, but what they got from Amazon is not what they got from the Pansari store, and that goes for almost all the products. So if there's if you want to buy incense sticks from Cycle Agarbatti, go to the Cycle Agarbatti online store. If you want to buy it from Parimal, go to the Parimal online store. If you want to buy it from Haridarshan, go to their store. The other thing with Amazon, the problem with Amazon is, I think, because they charge so much of commission that, all these people, they will hardly ever give you one single pack on Amazon. They'll ask you to buy the whole pack, the whole box. And what if you don't like the smell? Because the sense of smell is such a subjective thing. You might not like what I like, and I might not, be a big fan of whatever is your most favorite fragrance. So it's like that. And to buy an incense stick for 150 rupees and not like it is like too much. So I told you that the first time I got the whiff of this fragrance, I really liked it. I was so overtaken by it. But somehow I think, again and again when I use the incense, I could make out that, that true to nature, that very sandal kind of subtle thing is not there. But even then, I think most of the sandal sticks that we have in the market, out of all the sandal sticks that we have in the market at the moment, at least the ones that I have tried, I like this the best. The fragrance, it has good silage, so it spreads for quite a, it spreads in a large area. the projection is good, so when you burn it you get a nice fragrance. Even when you hold the packet in your hand you get a nice smell. So that is there. The diffusion is good, so and it stays for a long time. So you like that about this. And let's see what we have inside the pack. So we have this branded packaging like this. This is what we have. And so this is what we have. It's a brown colored incense stick and it's a masala stick. So we have this masala on top. You'll find this masala. So you have this. Nice. And the bamboo that they've used in this is good quality bamboo. It's nice and strong and sturdy. If you see, it's nice. When you smell the stick just like that without lighting, you don't get that chandan, you don't get that sandal fragrance. No, you don't get that. No. As the incense comes to life and as it starts to burn a little, you'll get that fragrance and you'll like it. So it's like, I cannot say it's like 100% incense sandal, but you'll like it. You like the incense, and it gives you nice. It gives you that nice temple feeling, that temple fragrance feeling. So you'll get that. So that's how we have. And you get that sandally smell, but you don't get that sandal woody smell. By which I mean, so you get that smell, you know, that you know there's a sandal incense burning somewhere, you'll get that kind of smell. So that's there. And so that's what we have, this 28-gram incense stick for 150 rupees, which I got for 125, and you might also get, because depends on how much your local pansari is you know, giving it away for. And so we have directions for use and all those things here. We've already read what was written on the packet. So if you are somebody who likes sandal smell, you will like it, and you must go for it. You'll try it once and you'll like it. That's what we have here. So I hope you're watching all the other playlists in the channel. You're watching the reviews and the readings, and you know, share it with somebody whom you think might learn something from it. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like the episode. You know, it encourages me. And so that's what we have for now. Till we meet again next. Oh, I hope you watch that how to take care of. I hope you watch that series on how to take care of yourself during the pandemic. That 5-day series. So watch it. You'll like it. So till we meet again next. Take very good care of yourself. Namaste.